This is an example of what you can do with vector graphics using an editing program. Here I've outputted a vector graphic using Java. This is a pict object, and you can actually do things like you can change the stroke color. So let's assume that purple is really not a good stroke color for your publication application. Well, you should be able to change that color. Let's see if we can pick a color other than purple, such as black, for example. That should work. And so now we have black as our color. Let's take a picture like this outline. Well, we can edit the picture directly. This is what it means to have editable graphics. What about the this number over in here? Maybe that should be 1.6. This is what happens when you can edit text. So having editable graphics kind of makes a lot of sense. Moreover, if you take this editable graphic, it should be possible to take an application like Microsoft Word and then proceed to, well, perhaps paste it in. Let's see if we can get that to work. We'll paste it in, and we'll drag Word over so that you can see it, and here it is in Word. So it is the case that having an editable object is a desirable thing, and it's a very specific thing, and it's not a bitmap. That's fairly clear at this point. Changing the text color should be possible, change the text size, grouping objects, removing individual text elements if you like. Let's say you don't need the 1.6 and the 2.5, you just need 1, 2, 3. You can clean up the axes even if you like. Maybe you don't need the plus and minus 0.5, and it just ranges from +1 to -1, and that's sufficient. This makes it look a lot less cluttered. So there's a compelling argument here that a high-quality graphics application that outputs vector graphics should have its vectors such that they are editable. I hope I've made that clear. Thank you.